Can be considered as a normal length of penis and what is the normal girth of penis? Let's talk about this topic in this video. I'm Dr. Praveen Tripathi. I'm a consultant psychiatrist and sexual disorder specialist. Now, before I talk about the data, why is it so important to know about this stuff? The reason is almost 50% of men think that they have a small penis, whereas in reality only 2% of men have a small penis, what we medically refer to as micropenis. So the rest 48% are unnecessarily worried about the length of their penis when in fact they have a perfectly normal size. Why does it happen? Youngsters especially tend to get information from wrong sources. Many times what happens is they watch a pornographic video and they look at the penis size of the male actor and then they compare their penis size with that actor and they reach the conclusion that they in fact have a smaller penis. Now this is of course not the correct way of reaching to a conclusion. That man who is acting in the pornographic movie is in the movie because of a certain reason. Probably they choose actors on the basis of the size of penis, and that actor of pornographic movie in no way represent what the normal size is. So let's talk about some data. Now there is a very influential and very respected journal called as BJU International, British Journal of Urology International. Now they had published this article about the normograms, the normal size and the girth of penis, and the data given in that article I would share with you. So when the penis is flaccid, when it is not in a state of erection, in that case the penis length will vary from 2.3 inches to 4.8 inches, between 2.3 to 4.8 inches. Whereas after erection, if you talk about the range, that varies between 3.8 inches to 6.5 inches. Now 95% of men would have a penis length that would fall within this range. Only 2% of men have penis size which falls in the range of what we call as micropenis. And how do we define micropenis? So if after erection the penis length is less than 7.5 centimeter or less than 3 inches, or if in a flaccid state the penis length is less than 1.5 inches, in that case we say that the man has a micropenis, and only 2% of men have the penis size which falls in the range of micropenis. So this is about the length. If we talk about the girth, the circumference, the perimeter, then the data says that flaccid penis circumference varies from 2.9 inches to 4.3 inches, whereas after erection the circumference ranges from 3.7 to 5.4 inches. Again, 95% of men would have penis girth that would fall in this range. Now, why is it so that people tend to have this wrong perception about the penis size? One I talked about already, that they tend to compare themselves with pornographic actors, which is an unfair comparison. Secondly, there is a problem which is called as parallax error. Now, if you yourself are looking at your penis, when you look downwards, the angle that forms, it results in a false image, or it leads to an illusion where you see the penis much smaller than what it is. It is just because of the vision angle. It appears to be smaller than what it is. If you really want to see the correct size or the real size, the better method is to stand in front of a mirror and look at the mirror. When you look at the mirror, the vision angle is normal, and you are able to see the real size of the penis, and what you see is not distorted by any kind of parallax error. So this is another reason why people tend to feel that the penis is smaller in size. It's just all about the wrong angle. So I hope with this video you would get some information about what exactly the numbers are, and you must also remember that only 2% of men tend to have a penis which is considered as smaller than the normal. Now these platforms of sexual solves and me solves, these have been created by us with the sole aim of imparting medical information, creating awareness about the sexual health, and removing the myths that are so rampant in the society. So if you like the content, please join us. Thank you.